Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator crisper pan. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new crisper pan. The crisper pan is where you store your food in the refrigerator. The banners you'll be changing it out if it's damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up both refrigerator doors. There's two crisper pans in the refrigerator. All you have to do is pull out the one that's broken. Now that you have the crisper pan out of the refrigerator, we have to take this front off because it doesn't come with the new one. There's a little locking tab that goes across the back right here. I'm just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to pry up on it a little bit. Then you're going to have to hold it and release each corner. Once you have the corners off, just pull them apart and separate the two pieces. Here's the old crisper pan next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new one in, we have to take the protective film off. All you have to do is peel it off. Once you have it off, we can put the front piece on. To put the front piece on, we're going to set the bottom piece in first and make sure it hooks onto that little lip on the back side. Then we can rotate the top up and snap it on. Just want to make sure the locking tab comes over the top, locks in place. Once you have it on, we can put the new crisper pan into the refrigerator. To put it in, all you have to do is line it up on the rails and push it back into place. Now that we have the part installed, we can close the refrigerator doors, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.